Welcome back to this video. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your browser. Then this tutorial I'm using Chrome browser. The next thing you want to do is to come to your address bar right here. Go ahead and type in any video converter, hit enter on your keyboard, and it's going to take you right here. Next thing you want to do is to come to the top right here. Go ahead and click on the first result right here. Right click on it and then click on open link in the tab. Then go ahead and click on here. Then you have it right here. Any video converter free. So best free video converter and compress software with millions of API and devoted for over 20 years. So scroll down right here. You have some of these are free right here. The next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and click on here. If you are using go ahead and click on free download for Windows, click on it, and it's going to redirect you right here. Download any video converter free instantly. Go ahead and just like so, you can see the application has successfully here. Go ahead and click on save, and right here allow it to save successful. It's just about 9.2 megabytes right here. So it has been successfully downloaded to your PC. Next thing we want to do here is to go ahead and minimize our browser, and we want to make sure we look for our download folder to bring out the software setup. So for that, I'm going to open up this particular folder right here, and I'll go ahead and click on my download folder and go ahead and click on the software setup right here. Go ahead and hit enter key on my keyboard. So after you successfully launch the app, you have the interface right here. There are lot of things you can do with this particular app right here. Any video converter toolkit, you can convert any video file format using this tab. You can download any video from internet using this tab. You can compress video file using this tab. You can match video, trim video with AI, speech to text, enhance video with AI, image generator, AI audio splitter, screen record, as the case may be, add audio file, add watermark to a video, AI video generator, crop the video, adjust color, speed change, video overlay, track editor, audio filter, then DVD bunny, and add a subtitle, among other things. So it's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use this particular video converter, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.